Si Dylan. Dylan, look mama. Uwi ka na?
Yes.
Let's go home?
Go to Kuya Hash.
Go Kuya Hash?
Yes.
Yes? Flight namin. 6 a.m. lahat ng alis na kami dito. Sana yung ano niya? Kuya Hash? You miss Kuya Hash? Oh, miss Kuya Hash.
Oh.
Yawning. Mahangin sa labas. Kapit na.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Maganda yung lamingo niya. Oh.
Flamingo. Posing yan ah, posing.
Lamingo nga eh.
Flamingo.
Go to Kuya Hash na. Dali na. Wait lang. Mamadali na siya. Oh.
Stoy. Oh.
Pero mayroong kasing ano niya. Grapan.
Ilan go to?
Huwag mo hawakan dyan.
Bye-bye.
Umaambon. Waiting
Yan,
kami
oh.
ng tricycle. Sit down.
Yan, makabiti.
Dylan and Nimbus. 5:30, 5:40 a.m. pa lang. Kunti pa lang yung mga tricycle. Sit down, Dylan.
Snowbell.
Oh, you wait, Lolo. You wait. Sit down, Dylan and Nimbus. Maiwan mo yung Nimbus mo, oh. Oh, get toy. Madami namang tricycle dito. Oo.
Hold lang, hold.
Hold mo lang, hold. Kami ng boat.
December.
Last year lang. Last year lang daw yung iPass ng December. Ayan, punta na kami dun sa may boat. Wow! Madilim-dilim pa. Mga buhok.
Bye.
Ayun, ang daming pababa. Papunta sa Boracay Island.
Labas sa bulan.
Dito tayo, be. Dylan, say hey.
Ty masz to wodę? Chyba tu też mamy szkło, nie? Wody? A ty kochanie, chcesz wody?
Woda jest.
Weź, bo napijmy się.
Where's the boat daw? You ride in the boat? Yes. Go to Kuya Hash. Wag dyan, anak. Dirty yan. What's this? Bye-bye, boat. Pasakay na kami ng tricycle. airport. Ayan. 6:30 a.m. Sit down si Dylan. Oh, Papa! Ang tao ngayon. Airport. Ang dami. Ano pala, magsa 7 a.m.
Number 4 once again. To all departing passengers,
Waiting kami. Sa
Sa
flight namin, 7 a.m.
Kindly proceed down to gate B, designated exit at gate number 4.
Oh, yung tinapay mo.
Ah?
Tinapay.
Andun kay mama, yung mga tinapay.
Aircraft. For everyone's safety, they are not allowed to be overhead
Pogi daw.
plates or under the seat. Using power banks during flight is strictly prohibited.
Ganda.
They must be accessed while on
properly.
board. Damaged, defective, fatal power banks and batteries are strictly prohibited. And to ensure a smooth journey, to the owner of the left behind AirPod case, kindly approach final security screening.
And wipe your nose, oh. Moving na. Sit down ka na, sit down.
Let's put this jigsaw puzzle together.
Oh, airplane.
Can we find the grace?
Airplane. Big airplane. Look. Oh, there, oh. Wow.
914 patungong floor. Kung hindi ito yung tamang lipad, mangyari po lamang na tumawagin ang pansin ng inyong cabin crew.
We're here to make your flight as comfortable and as safe.
Ilang 4 na po minuto.
May we
Clouds. Oh, you know clouds. Sana.
Yeah. Nice.
It's cloudy. Ilan? Pump this head. Mama called the
Sit down. Go to Kuya Ash. Dito. Go to Kuya Ash.
Ayan na Dylan, no? Loko, loko, loko. Wait. here na. Oh, go home na kami kay Kuya Hash. Go home na. Ano po? Airport. We're in the airport. Wow.
Cebu Pacific Air, welcome. Procedure. All passengers, please remain seated.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Oh, wala na airplane. Bye-bye, airplane. Oh, lolo. Araw dito ah. Ano? Doon ang lakas ng hangin sa Boracay. Ma'am. Napagod na si Dylan eh. Dylan. Ha?
Dylan. Hi.
Hi! Go home na to Kuya Hash. Go home. Parang init dito sa Manila. Dito sa Clark. Dun sa Boracay, nag-uulan. Wait natin yung car, anak. Inuhat niya pa yung bato. Balik mo na yan. Balik mo yan.